Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes kitchen style. What we're going to do is today we're going to review this pineapple slicer. I have been using it. It works pretty well. I want to talk to you about that. And also, I want to talk to you about growing this top off of this pineapple into a pineapple plant. These pineapple plants will give you one pineapple a year. They're beautiful. They look like tropical plants. So let's get started. So I've removed this from the bag and I want to show you what it looks like. It comes in two parts, and there's going to be a link in this video at the bottom in the description that will tell you where you can purchase this from. So there's two buttons on the side, and you just take it and slide it in, push the buttons in, and then it'll pop in place, and that's going to be your handle. Okay, then you'll take your pineapple and you'll cut the top off of it. Once you cut your top off, this is what you have. You'll just take this and you'll sit it right here on top, and then you'll start to twist it. And it's going to go all the way down to the inside of the pineapple. This is a big pineapple. Okay, once you get to the bottom, you just pull. And then you have all of this fresh sliced pineapples. And the way to get that off, you'll take that handle back off by pushing those buttons in. And then you'll just slide your fruit right off. Simple. I actually love that. And this is what you have on the inside. And there's a little juice left inside of there too. Of course, you can drink that. So, once we've gotten past that part, we're going to set this up for a plant to grow. So to do that, we're going to take and cut all the extra fruit off. You don't want to leave any fruit on there, that way it can start to root as soon as possible. And then you just take it and you sit it in some fresh water, just like that. And what I do is I sit mine in the kitchen window so that it can get some sun, and then it'll take root from the bottom. And once it roots, you'll see the little roots come down. It'll be time to put it in some soil. And I'll tell you what they like as fertilizer. They like crushed eggshells and coffee grounds. And I used to use coffee grounds after we make coffee. I'll just put those in a bag after they dry out. And then I put the eggshells in a bag also. And when they get to the point where they need soil, you just sprinkle that on your soil and they'll just take off. They love coffee grounds and eggshells. So, that's our video today on pineapples. Thanks for watching Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.